Hello, welcome to Eat Prime. My name is Daedran. Reggae artist Skip Marley is gearing up to release his star-studded EP titled Higher Place. In this Instagram post, Skip notes that he has been working on the EP for quite a while, and he is excited, blessed, and grateful to take fans to a higher place. The project consists of 7 tracks and features collaborations with his legendary grandfather Bob Marley, mixed on the title track, Uncle Damian Jr. Gong Marley on That's Not True, rapper Rick Ross and Ari Lennox on the track Make Me Feel, which recently entered the Billboard R&B Adult Songs charts at number 28. Higher Place also features his chart-topping single Slow Down, a collaboration with US star Her, which was released earlier this year and went to number 1 on the R&B Adult Songs charts in May, along with accumulating over 18 million views on YouTube. Higher Place is slated for release tomorrow. Now, Saint International models Romaine Dixon and Lawrence have been featured in worldwide advertising campaigns for the luxury fashion houses Hugo Boss and Alfred Dunhill. Dixon appeared in the new Hugo Boss Fall-Winter 2020 ad collection, launching in magazines, billboards, and online platforms right across the world. Now, the Jamaican model joined an international cast of up-and-coming models. The German-founded Hugo Boss produces luxury clothing, accessories, footwear, and fragrances. Meanwhile, Lawrence made an appearance for the London-based luxury goods company Alfred Dunhill. In a release, Dixon noted that the feature came as a surprise given the treatment for the campaign that was crafted from intimate portraits taken backstage at the Fall-Winter 2020 runway collection show in Paris earlier this year. Within the last 2 years, Dixon and Lawrence have built an impressive list of campaigns and lookbooks for the world's most famous and influential labels and brands. That's it for this evening's edition of E! Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.